Is the duck in the bushes? Is there a duck in here laying eggs? Oh no, but there's duck feathers in here.
Hey, guys, stop fighting.
Oh, there's down and a broken egg. And Nana on her computer. Now she figured out she has Wi-Fi. This is her new office. I love the ibis's blue eyes.
Hey, you gotta watch. Look at this guy's eyes.
Huh?
Look at this guy's eyes.
What happened
The
to her?
girl. I don't know. So I'll make her turn.
Is something wrong? Oh. Yeah. Gulls are so mean to each other. How come this ibis is looking all dejected over here, Peanut? Can you throw him something?
Oh, that one?
Yeah. Oh. Ooh, that's the kind of gull that'll come and eat it out of your hand. There we go. There we go.
That's over here, man.
Peanut, hold it up. Hold a whole slice of bread up. No, a whole slice. Hold it up in the air and watch what the gulls do. No, a whole slice. Whole slice. Huh? A vulture. No, you have to hold it so they can see it. You have to hold the whole slice.